What's going on, and welcome back. And today we'll be seeing 4 browsers that are the size of a text message, or in other words, their size is less than 1 megabyte or 1 MB. So let's do it. One is Alpha Browser. So starting with the browser's UI, it's very simple and not quite complicated. And also it's pretty good in search, and it provides searches very fast. Now let's see what other things can this small browser offer. So it offers multiple search engines, basically just 4, which are Yandex, Google, Mail, and DuckDuckGo. And also it has some other basic settings, which are start page, allowing JavaScript, allowing zoom, link editing, showing status bar, screen timeout, fast mode for better loading of pages, hiding search button, and allowing cookies. But it only allows 2 languages, which is English and Russian. And the app is only available for 646 megabytes. I'm just joking, it's 646 kilobytes. It's a pretty small application, but it does good searches, not bad for its size. Number 2 is on browser Lite. So starting with the browser's user interface, it's quite simple, with the navigation buttons at the bottom and the search box at the top. But this browser is very basic because it doesn't have a setting option to change your search engine, and by default the main search engine is DuckDuckGo, and you can't change that. It has no option to clear cookies, ad blocking, and other important settings. But for the application this size, it's okay for it to lack some features because it's only 36 kilobytes. So next on our list is Nama browser. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's spelled Namma, but I hope you get the point. Starting with the UI, it's quite simple because everything is available on one page. And also it supports only 2 search engines, which are the major ones, Google and YouTube. And it doesn't have a settings option to either clear your cookies, change your search engine, turn on ad blocking, night mode, and other important features. But it's quite simple and without any complications. So if you're looking for a simple browser with no complicated stuff, this is the right browser for you. And it's available to download only for 878 kilobytes. So last on our list is Via browser. Starting with the UI, it's very neat and pretty well understandable. But what shocked me is how this app is very powerful compared to its size. So let's start seeing the basic features. So by the basic features, it offers a night mode. It also offers a sharing option, an option to add a bookmark, an option to request a desktop site to see your running downloads or your download history, an incognito mode for more privacy. So let's see what other features can this application offer in its settings. Let's head to general settings first. So in the general settings, it will give you an option to customize your account, user agent, clear data, and also it has an option for ad blocking, by which in default it is set to block ads automatically. And as you can see, it has already blocked 53 ads so far. And also it does not only offer one search engine, it offers something like 7 search engines. So if you don't prefer Google, you can just choose any of these other search engines, and you can also customize the text size, orientation, change your download location, download manager, and other stuff. Now let's see the customization setting. In the customization setting, you'll be able to customize the logo by either removing it or adding a text, adding a picture or HTML code, or just leave it by default. You can also change the background and also the style of the search box to colorful or transparent, or leave it by default. Now let's see the most important settings that most people look for, the privacy setting. And you can perfectly see that location access is turned off by default, meaning that they won't be able to get any location access about you. And also you can see that the do not track option is turned off, meaning that they won't track your browsing history or your search history. Okay, so the last is block third-party cookies. So if this feature is turned on, the browser won't be able to save cookies from third parties. Okay, so this application is only 732 kilobytes. And thank you for watching. Let's meet again in the next one.